Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we a vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let it go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, as you might have already read, that the title talks about reacting to my first ever taekwondo match, and it was really a great experience for me and my family. It was on 1st of August 2016 when I was 15 years old, and it was held in Buldana's Krida Sakul, and it was really amazing. I have been doing karate and taekwondo since a long time because my dad and my uncle both are like karate pros, and they have gone to many nationals and state level games, and they have represented our state and our divisions, which was really a proud moment for me after knowing. And they still got that juice to keep fighting and for self-defense and everything. It was really amazing knowing that, and that really encouraged me, my cousins, and our whole family. So I started doing karate. I was 6 to 7 years old. Since then I started doing it, and one day we got to know that was for self-defense only, and after that we got to know that there's a chance of playing it for like our regions and our talukas and our divisions and districts. So later on we came to know it's a sport, so we ended up doing practice, and then went to the match for the first time, which was kind of scaring as we didn't know so many what were the rules, or not many of the rules were known by us, and we definitely didn't know how many players were there who will be playing with us and everything. So we got there and we were excited. I don't know, and that was kind of scary, like literally so scary and interesting as well. So when I was like playing the match, I was scared. My heart was beating faster and faster. It kept beating faster, and the opponent, I think she was a state level player, I'm not sure, and she kept pushing me, like literally she was pushing me, not even hitting me right. And she is the one who's wearing the red helmet, and I'm the one in blue. So I think her name was Sneha, something like that. And she was looking at me like I'm a pro, which I was not at all. I was playing it for the first time. So when we ended up on the mattress, and the referee started talking like you have to do this and you have to do that, you cannot hit her below the waist and everything. It was horrifying because I didn't know how to get a point because she kept pushing me, so I couldn't hit her right. But then I thought, like, you gotta concentrate and you gotta hit her as hard and as much as you can. So you're going to be watching that. Let's hop into the video and let's check out. So remember, the red one is Snehal, whatever name is my opponent, and the blue one is me. So yeah, let's get into the video. So that was the first hit, which was really interesting, which got me a point for sure. And it was straight onto her cheek, which is like, I don't know how many points that was, but it was like the highest point I could get. Then again she hit me, and again that was the second one. I hit on her face again, so got I don't know how many points, but that was a nice one. Yeah, then as you can see, she kept pushing me, because of which I was turning here and there. Yeah, I knew how to defend myself, so that was a good thing. Again, that hit, I didn't touch her face, but definitely she might have been scared. Yeah, she was pushing me. Then the referee, I think, told her not to push me and gave us our points. Again, this match started. and she was hitting me again and again, which I don't think counted as a point because she did not hit me on my stomach or my head. Yeah, that kick definitely got me a point because it was straight onto her stomach, which is a point. Yeah, okay, I turned around, which is not a good thing, not at all. I'm not proud of that moment because she could have hit me 2-3 times if she were a pro. That kick that made me won. Literally, that kick is, oh my gosh, I wish I could do it again, if not in a match, in real life at least. But it was really interesting. That kick definitely, she was like, oh my god. And this is Geet, by the way, my cousin who must be 13 years old, I guess. And yeah, he was 13 and he was so happy. That's me, that's my uncle who's my coach. And yeah, and he's showing off so much that his elder cousin is winning the match and showing and vibing with the camera. That was a really old one, which he was happy about, I guess. And then there was this final decision when the referee called us. And yeah, I don't think it was a final decision, but the girl didn't want to play, so yeah, I won. Yeah, let's see what happens ahead. Yeah, I was the blue one, trying to be excited and vibing that there's going to be another round which I can play, but I didn't have any idea that it's going to be the last round, and it was the last round. And she gave me the point, and it was really interesting, and I was so happy. And I really wish that someday I get to play it again, at least with a girl or maybe a boy, I don't know. I just want to play it someday. If not a game, then maybe in real life, but definitely I look forward to it. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and share as much as you can so that I can get many views. And please, I love you all and thank you.
Come on, once again. Come on. Come on. Hit. Yeah. Come on, back up. Yeah, very good.